So my character's name is Matt. I'm Staff Sergeant to Admiral Nimitz, who's played by Woody Harrelson. Such a fantastic role to have, and to be able to work with Woody Harrelson, Patrick Wilson, and Mr. Mark Rolston over here. Wonderful to watch these guys work and to get to work with them. Such a gift. And so my character, we're based in the headquarters in Honolulu, and we're charged with taking in the information coming to us from the Pacific and determining what we're going to do with this information and where to send the boys in the fleet, which obviously will culminate in the Battle of Midway.
Do you feel like this film will be educational for millennials or for the younger generation coming up that may not even know what this was all about? Because this is based on a true story.
Yeah, that's a wonderful question, and I really think it will be quite an educational movie. I think the writer West took great pains to get this story right and to tell a true, authentic tale of how it all went down in World War II leading up to this battle.